I got my frozen store-bought pizza. Do you got yours? Because I'm going to do something wild with it. I'm going to utilize a breakfast favorite and make a chicken and waffle pizza. You heard me correct, folks. Chicken and waffles right on this pizza. Let's make it now. Grab a frozen store-bought pizza and add some pizzazz. It's a pizza pizzazz party.
Good. Yeah!
I've cooked up a few chicken strips. Time to chop them up. Add it. And I've toasted a couple waffles that I'm going to cut up as well. Add them on top. I'm also making a special sauce. Let's do it. Which is going to involve 2 tablespoons of butter, melted. A 1/4 cup of honey.
Grrr, give me the squeeze.
A 1/4 cup of maple syrup.
Oh, Jimmy, you're using me again.
And a tablespoon of hot sauce. Shake it up. Sauce it up. Add on a little extra cheese and bake. Chicken and waffle pizza. That's good. What does a janitor say when he jumps out of a closet? Supplies!